back to my channel. I just tried to record this 4 times. So let's get right into it. These bundles and this frontal is from Ywigs.com. I know y'all probably like, clutching my pearls, what? Because I have only reviewed their wigs before. Me personally, I thought they only sold wigs. You know, I didn't know that they also offered bundles. I'm not sure if this is a new thing or if they've been doing it. Child, y'all know, I'm not sure. I just always, when I would watch their reviews, I always seen people review their wigs. And y'all know how I feel about their wigs. I will leave my reviews down below for their wigs. Y'all know I'm a sucker for the wigs and them hairlines on the wigs. Why wigs? They're just known for the hairlines with me. Like, y'all already know. I'll leave the videos down below. I'm not even finna get into all that ooey gooey goodness. So anyways, let's get into this ooey gooey goodness. So, I do have some curly hair. I know y'all probably like, curly hair? Girl, you're killing this. No. A lot of people really like the curly hair though. Some people, they feel like it's oversaturated. But a lot of people like it because they love the wet look. And y'all know I love the wet look too. So, child, I'm finna show you. Let me tell you about the hair. So, the hair that I have is the Brazilian Natural Wave. I have a 18-inch, 222 inches with a 16-inch ear-to-ear frontal. Now, right off the bat, I can say I did see a little bit of a difference in the hairlines. On the frontal, it wasn't as customized as the wigs. All right, that's kind of what I was expecting, but it just wasn't the same, which is fine. Okay, it wasn't hard to work with, but normally with Ywigs, when I put their wigs on, I don't have to do a lot of almost no customizing. I mean, I do a little plucking and then I put it on, but most of their wigs are almost kind of like ready. Like once you get out the box, they're kind of ready. You don't have to do too much. Lay a few baby hairs maybe and that's it. But like with the frontals, the frontal was a little bit thicker. Okay, it was a little bit thicker at the base. It was still pre-plucked and it had a little bit of pre-pluck and it had a few baby hairs with it. But I did have to do a little more work, okay, with the frontal. It wasn't like the wig where the hairline is like perfectly etched out. Okay, so keep that in mind. It wasn't straight across. It was not straight across. It was pre-plucked. It did come with baby hairs, but it wasn't as customized as the wigs. That's all I can say. Okay, that's all I can say. Like I said, it didn't make working with the frontal harder or anything. It was just, you know, just a little bit of an extra step. All right, that's pretty much it. So I did bleach the knots on this frontal. I got back into bleaching my knots. So I do use makeup and I also bleach knots. Okay, so I do both of them and it really works out. It really does. So this is what my frontal looks like right here. All right, so the frontal goes back pretty far. I think I have a 13x4. It goes back pretty far, and I like that because it makes any style look more natural. It just looks better than like a, you know, like a little 1 to 2 inch part that's sitting all on top of your head and putting your business all out there in the streets. Okay, it just looks a lot more better. So I like that. It's more better. It looks a lot better. Jesus Christ. So this is the hair. All right, that's how long it falls on me. Beautiful and curly. Okay, y'all love these curly textures just as well as I do, girl. Okay, so let me get into the specs of the hair. The hair that I have is the Brazilian Natural Wave. Let me make sure because I don't want to mislead anyone. The links will be down below. Okay, if I say something wrong, everything you need will be down below. But yeah, it is the Brazilian Natural Wave. The links that I have an 18-inch, I have 222 inches, and a 16-inch ear-to-ear frontal. All right, so yeah, I like the hair. I've been having a lot of fun with the hair. One thing about the hair is though, this is a lot of hair. Now I only have 3 bundles in a frontal. This is a lot of hair. I'm gonna say that now. When I first had the bundles come off as just typical bundles, but when this hair, like when you wash it and you let it air dry, the hair like grows. Okay, like this hair is thick. This hair is y'all. This hair super thick. Like, I'm not even lying. This hair is thick as hell. At first, I didn't think that it was going to be that thick. Because I was just like, I don't know. I probably should have got like 4 bundles. That's what I was thinking in my head. But now, no. 3 bundles is definitely enough. Definitely enough. The hair is thick and full. If you do not put product in it to tame it, it is going to be big and curly. Well, wavy. It is going to be big and wavy. Okay, but I did put product in it. You guys know I did my wet look to kind of tame it. I do like the big curly look because like when I go to work, I wear it big and curly. I don't put product in it. I just wash it. Like I do like a wash and go. Okay, so I do a wash and go, and when I leave the house, it kind of looks like this. I put a headband on, and once it dries, it's like big and curly like. Okay, one thing to keep in mind when you get this hair though, okay, it's not high maintenance, but you are going to need to put some moisture to it, which is wet it. Okay, put some moisture to it, and then put a little mousse in it. You don't have to put a whole bunch of product in it, especially if you want that big curly look. Now, if you don't want the big curly look, you are going to have to put product in it. One thing that I would suggest doing on a daily though, like I said, you're going to have to put some water in it. You're going to have to moisturize it. Along with putting water in it, I would say put a little bit of serum in the hair, because this hair tends to be more on the drier side. I have noticed that the hair does get dry. Put some serum in it, and then put some serum in it and put some mousse in it. I like to use this kind of mousse right here. And it's really, really good. And if you do already, like this mousse already has olive oil and tea tree oil in it. So, you know, you don't have to go in and put a whole bunch of oils in your hair. So if you use something that already has essential oils in it, don't feel the need to, like, you know, soak your hair down with nothing but grease and oil, okay? Because then it's just not going to look good. It's going to look like a greasy mess. So just use some product, something that has something moisturizing it. That's what I'm saying, moisturizing, because this hair does lean more towards the dry side, okay? When you first wet it, it's going to be nice and luxurious, but throughout the day, this is the type of hair that does suck up moisture. So get some type of moisturizer in it. Get you some moisturizer in it. Also, in your spray bottle, put your little conditioner in there, and that, child, honey, that helps a lot. But other than that, it's really good hair. It's not high maintenance. That's what I love about wavy hair. A lot of people are like, Erin, what is it about the wavy hair? It's not high maintenance. And with wavy hair, you don't have to worry about curling it. And I already got a curl to it, curl/wave to it. You don't have to worry about, like, I don't know, like just doing too much to it. It's effortless. It's like you wet it and you go. Like, I love hair like this. It's not like straight hair when you take it out your bonnet. Now you got a flat iron and then do whatever. It's just too much. I just like effortless like looks. And I mean, y'all do too, right? So anyways, guys, I think that's pretty much it. Oh, not a lot of shedding. I haven't received a lot of shedding. I did bleach the frontal with 40 volume developer, and I haven't received a lot of shedding. You know, normal day-to-day shedding. Y'all already know, all hair sheds. All hair sheds. I cannot stress that enough. You natural hair shed, you pube shed, you know, all that shit. So as far as shedding, nothing out of the ordinary. Nothing. I'm not just pulling out globs of hair like, oh my God. You know what I'm saying? I haven't received anything like that. And I have been wearing the hair. Can you speak? I've been wearing the hair for a good little minute and really putting it through the element. I haven't been wearing the bonnet. I've just been throwing it back in a ponytail when I go to work. And it's been holding up pretty well. Anyways, guys, that's it. I'm trying not to make this too long and trying not to rumble too much. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below, and I'll be sure to get back with y'all. Bye.